In today's video, I'll be showing you a neat trick using ChatGPT to generate creative names for your business, product, or project. Whether you're a startup founder, a future entrepreneur, or someone looking to brainstorm ideas, ChatGPT can help spark your creativity. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. So here's what we'll be doing. First, you can specify if it's a business name, a product name, or a project name you're looking for. For instance, I'll be planning to start up my own coffee shop business, so just set up your prompt right here for ChatGPT to provide the results for you. It's quite simple as we'd expect, as ChatGPT was able to generate a list of numerous names for you to pick from. However, if you're not satisfied with the results, you can provide more specific instructions in your prompt, additional context that is. Just describe in your prompt, mainly your preferences or your niche, something that resonates with your brand or project vision. This way, ChatGPT will be able to generate new names that you would be able to choose the one that best suits your criteria. And there you have it. That's how you can generate names for your business, project, or product using ChatGPT.